to the Southwest U.S Summarized in 6 minutes. Woo! Let's get started on the rivers. The Colorado River is one of the longest rivers in the U.S. It starts in the Rocky Mountains, into the forests, through the Grand Canyon, splits through the Grand Canyon, goes through the Hoover Dam, makes the border with Nevada and Arizona, and finally ends in the flat desert valleys of California, southern Nevada, and Arizona. It finally ends in Baja California, Mexico, and it makes borders between 3 different states, and it goes through 6. So yeah, that's the Colorado River for you. And make sure to like, drop a comment, and subscribe with those notifications. Now we head into Los Angeles, the City of Angels. It is by far the most populated, well-known, and loudest city in California and probably even the Southwest. Dozens of company headquarters are located there, including Walt Disney, SpaceX, Guess, Dollar Shave Club, Fandango Media, and much, much more. Tons of movies and shows are based in Hollywood, America's largest theater of franchises. 7 terminals are located in the port of LA, making it the largest shipping port in the U.S. Speaking of ports, it is the world's 3rd busiest airport and 2nd busiest in the U.S. In 2019, LAI handled a whopping 88 million passengers. Moving on to population of Los Angeles. Woo! And now as you see, it looks like Los Angeles, Long Beach, Anaheim metro gets 13 million people. Very crazy. 13 million people in the metro area of Los Angeles, including Long Beach and Anaheim. It's 2 suburbia cities, pretty much. So, yeah, that's Los Angeles, City of Angels, LA, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Now heading into Las Vegas. The Sin City. Las Vegas is not only casino-ridden, but I also live there. Anyway, Las Vegas is always lively. Ironically, it's more lively when people are supposed to be asleep, aka nighttime. At night, you will be able to see the glamour of Nevada's largest city. Las Vegas actually has so many Nevadans that 3/5 of Nevada's population lives in or around Vegas. A whopping 144 casinos are in Las Vegas. They're in stores, bowling alleys, movie theaters, gas stations, hotels, and even by themselves. 440 flights on average go to Las Vegas. And on the population, Las Vegas has about 2.3 million people in the metro area. Then we go to Phoenix. Here's a nice shot of Phoenix, the Valley of the Sun. This arid city has the 10th largest metro area in the U.S. with almost 5 million people living there. It's the most populated state capital in America. It's in a valley between the Colorado Plateau and the Sonoran/Mojave Deserts. Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport is one of the most busiest airports in the U.S. Between 2000 and 2020, the most amount of passengers handled was 46.28 million in 2019. Unsurprisingly, COVID-19 made 2020's passengers handled number the smallest since 2000 at only 21.92 million. At 2020, that's not that many passengers. That's sad. Unsurprisingly, American Airlines and Southwest Airlines share 78% of the market in Phoenix. Yep. On to Denver. Denver, the mile-high city. It's called that because it's more than a mile above sea level. Denver's metro population is 2.93 million people. The U.S.'s 19th largest metro area. Denver is like the 300s in terms of highest U.S. settlements, But for cities over 100,000 people, Denver is the highest large city in the U.S. and the second highest large city in North America. Denver International Airport is the second largest airport in the world by area. Average annual passengers sits at 33.7 million people. Like Phoenix, 2019 was the busiest year with 69 million passengers, by the way. You should know. You should know. Denver is in northeast Colorado, and it's not really labeled as a Southwestern city, but it's my video, so, I got to. So, yep. Now into another map. The precipitation map. Woo! As you see in this precipitation map, it looks like a lot of parts in the Southwest are in like the 0 to 10 inches of rain, and that makes sense because it's desert and mountainous and stuff like that. Mostly in Death Valley, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Southwestern Cities. It says welcome to LA. Well, we're going to say bye to LA in a couple seconds here. So that was the Southwestern Cities summarized in 6.5 minutes. My name is Malachi Geofax, and I'll see you later. Bye.